Hey everybody, today we're out building an outdoor shower enclosure as well as a water collection system. So let's get building. Hey, real quick, before we actually get into the video, make sure you stay tuned to the end because disaster strikes. Stay tuned.
Hey guys, I'm Joda, Cupcake and Cornbread's son. We are out here building this rain shower, or this outdoor shower, I apologize. So far we've dug the post holes for all the posts. We're going to set these in the ground, let them rest for a little while, and then we'll start working on the outdoor as well as the inside platform. So keep watching, hope you enjoy.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing...
All right, so we got the post in place. We got some fast drying or fast setting concrete. So we're just going a little bit, let them set, and then we'll start on with the walls. We understand that there's other ways to do this, but this way works for us. We've put in posts like this to the ground before and just pour in the concrete, pour in the water, push it down, mix it around, and it works great. I understand if you're building a big building, you probably don't want to do that, but this works for what we're doing.
All right guys, we got the post set, the concrete set pretty well, so it's sturdy. Right now we're just running our support boards. I'm gonna do 2 across each side on all 4 of these. And then we're gonna run the picket posts up and down that. So we're gonna get started on this.
I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems, man, it's hard.
All right, so we got the deck built itself, or at least the platform. Now we're just doing a layer of pea gravel to help as the runoff for the water, and then we'll come back and re-gravel outside after I do the decking boards themselves.
I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop.
All right guys, so we got the picket fence boards up. We got the gravel all the way around the inside of the base. You can actually come in and look at it. We got the deck up. This will be your shower area. Our next project is going to be doing the rain catchment, which is going to go up from the roof, and then the actual walkway itself. And we'll be finished with our outdoor shower.
Okay, this is our water encatchment pedestal, where we're going to put the water barrel on top of it. Once I put it up here, I realized that in order for our gravity shower to work, the barrel needed to be higher because of where we have the pipe coming out of the barrel. So I got some 4x4s, put them together, made a little box, raised it about 1 foot, and hopefully that's going to allow us to take gravity fed showers with less water in the barrel. Okay, we have the barrel up here. It's a 55-gallon drum. We already have the pipes in where we're going to go. That's going to go to the shower, and this is going to go back into the kitchen, so we'll have water available to us at the sink. Whenever I have this here, based on where the pipe was, if we want our shower to be up here, the rain shower to be here, then based on this being here, the water would have needed to be about right here in order for us to get water out and have it come up and go up to this point. So by doing this, now the water can be about, it only needs to be about right here instead of up here. So that should allow the gravity fed shower to work better. If we determine that it's not pushing enough, I am going to see about getting either some type of pump that will allow the water to come out more freely. But hopefully this is going to work the way we have it. Okay, so we finished the water collection system. There's the pedestal, the base for it. There's the addition I put in to raise the bottom of the barrel up. There's the barrel going up to the gutter and the point where the water comes out from the gutter down into the barrel.
So what we did was we just ran some PVC pipe from our rain barrel. All right, we got some on-off knobs put in here. We just glued these pieces together. We did some elbow brackets, kind of mounted it to the tree itself. And then we bought one of these shower heads from Lowe's. Got it all on here. Right now it's still drying, but we ran it up through the tree so that way you can come in and shower. You can adjust it as need be. I did a little bit lower than myself. Well, I'm also in boots right now. But that way, whenever the rain barrel gets to about halfway, you always have shower because it's gravity fed the whole time. And then for the sink itself, we ran an outlet from here directly into the wall underneath the sink and countertop on the inside of the kitchen. Okay, so from the inside look for the kitchen itself, we just drilled a hole through the outside wall, ran the PVC pipe underneath here, use a T-valve to go from the hot and cold water valve. Although obviously there's gonna be no hot or cold water, or there's gonna be no hot water. So, but I ran it separately all the way up with these flexible hoses into the sink so that way both handles actually work. We don't have any water right now because we haven't had any rain. So once that rain barrel fills up, these will both work. We'll test them out and should be good to go.
All right, so we finished up the shower and the water collection area. Let me show you what it looks like. Okay, we did have some rain. Our 55-gallon barrel's not quite full all the way, and I'll show you on the other side what we did to increase our volume so our rain shower head would work properly. So we have the pipe going from here from the 55-gallon drum to our shower head. Like I said, I don't have enough water in here for a full.
Looks pretty good to me though.
Yeah, you can see it's kind of chilly right now, but in the summer that's gonna be very nice. And whenever you want water in the kitchen, we would turn it on right here to provide water to the kitchen. We're still working on that because I have a pump that's gonna go in. But we set this rain head so both me and Cupcake can do our little showers out here, and it's gonna be nice. And we also built a small bench, so whenever you've taken your shower, whenever you get ready, you can sit down here and change. I have it secured to the base here. The base is more or less a 4x8 deck. We did cut out for the tree, and that way we can continue to cut out for the tree as the tree continues to grow. But we wanted to use that as a feature of the shower. And then up front here we have a shower curtain. So you can take showers in here in privacy. Okay, and one other thing I wanted to show you is right up there is where the drain is. But because of the shower head location, I wanted to try to maximize that a little bit more. So I added this pipe, the white pipe up there, to effectively raise the drain area about 6 to 8 inches. I think it's closer to 8 inches. So it's only about 2 inches below the top of the tank. And then from there, the water would flow into this drain pipe and go down. So we really think that's going to work out well. But that's one way you can increase the volume or the capacity of your barrel. If you've already had a drain cut, you can always put the PVC and raise that point. So the overflow has to go a little bit higher before it starts flowing out. All right, so that's going to wrap up our shower and water collection video. If you like the video, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more of our videos, please click subscribe. If you have any comments or suggestions for us, please let us know and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. We'll see you soon.
Thanks for watching.
Hey, one more thing before we go. Always beware of Mother Nature. So this is the end of the shower video where we just built it. And look what happened. Probably within a week or so of finishing it out, Mother Nature came through, cut a tree in half, dropped it on the back of our outdoor kitchen, and destroyed our shower. But now, since we've done the video, we know what we need to do to get it back. So we'll start cutting this tree up, start making some room, and do it again. So what do you think about that shower?
I'm very upset right now, but I guess things happen. I'm trying not to cry.
Yeah.
Because
Well,
we did a lot of hard work.
Yeah, but we'll get back to it.
I mean, I'm counting my blessings because it was just a shower and just some of the tin on the back of the kitchen, which can be fixed fairly easy.
Yeah.
But just upsetting.
Yeah. Because it could have been worse. You know, that tree is right there, right next to the outdoor kitchen, and it split, and it could have very easily just dropped right in the middle of it. But it fell on the back. So I'll get Cupcake back to working here, because I'm not going to do it.
Yeah. Right.
But it'll be fine.